Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Open up the Facebook app. Go into menu from the bottom right corner. Open up your profile. Click on three dots from profile. Go into turn on professionals mode from profile settings. Then tap to turn on professional mode. Now set up your profile as a professional dashboard. Then go back to see your profile preview. You can see the details and differences in your current and previous profile. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.